So I'm Howra Fatima, and earlier this year I graduated from NUST. I completed my MS in clinical psychology, and I've interned at AFIMH and Benazir Bhutto Hospital. So basically, when I went to Benazir Bhutto Hospital, I got a lot of exposure in terms of the workforce. Like there are a lot of psychologists who are recruited, and then psychiatrists who are working over there, and then the number of patients and the kinds of patients that we had to see. So over there, I always felt like there was this divide between the psychiatrists and the psychologists, like there is some sort of competition going on, and where one side is trying to prove to the other side that they're better, but there is no harmony between these two sectors. Whereas if they work collaboratively, I was lucky enough to have a few psychiatrists who were very positive towards us, had a very positive mindset, and they were collaborative, would work with us. But then there were also others who just would outright downplay the importance of the work of psychologists. And then when it came to the trainees who were recruited over there, I saw that there is no regulation as such. And then there are people, if I'm allowed to say, not so competent, who are allowed to get exposed to people and their lives and then treat them as well. So when I heard about this project, I felt like we had a personal responsibility to do something, because at least at NUST we're trained to be ethical, and whatever limited skills that we acquire, we're always encouraged to be reflective, to always reflect on our shortcomings and be open about seeking help or supervision or whatever there is needed. So when I saw that there is a very positive environment over here between all the different sectors that are working, like the psychiatrists, psychologists, and the tiers that have been organized. So I didn't feel like there was a hierarchy or some sort of division between the different kinds of people who are working over here. So I could see that positive environment, the positive intention, the willingness to contribute and do something to improve the mental health of the city at first, obviously, and then later on, inshallah, to other provinces as well. So I feel really honored to be a part of this project, and I really like that everyone here is very motivated to do something positive and be proactive.